Hello, this is Dr. Ferrari. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit with or without Hyperactivity Disorder. There are three subtypes of this disorder: primarily inattentive, hyperactive impulsive, and combined, which is a combination of the first two. Unfortunately, most parents are afraid to even test or treat this disorder because they fear the side effects and rigors of medication. Fortunately, there's an alternative to this scenario. Neurofeedback is an effective, painless, and drug-free way to treat this condition in which the child learns to retrain the attention mechanisms of their brain, alleviating the condition.
The EEG leads are connected to the patient to monitor the activity of two different parts of the brain which need to work in balance in order to correct the disorder. This information is fed live into the computer. In this first mode of treatment, we are correcting the combined form of ADHD, inattention with hyperactivity and/or impulsivity. The red bar is the part of the brain which controls attention and organization. The lower that bar is, the better these functions become. As the red bar goes into the bracket above it, the computer makes a thumping sound, the points earned slow down, and the oval becomes yellow, encouraging the patient to keep the bar below the bracket. The green bar is hyperactivity and impulse control. The higher this bar becomes over time, the less hyperactive and/or impulsive the patient is. As the green bar goes over the top of its bracket, the sound goes to a higher tone, the points speed up, and the oval turns to a brighter green, encouraging the patient to push the bar over the top of the bracket. Over the course of the treatment, the patient retrains these parts of the brain, thereby correcting the condition.
Most individuals with ADHD have a higher than average IQ and a very pleasing personality, which unfortunately is hidden behind the disorder. As parents, we have a responsibility to remove the obstacles which stand in the way of our children learning and growing to become the best that they can be and to get along well with others. ADHD is a very significant obstacle to this occurring. However, it is a very minor neurological imbalance, which has nothing to do with parenting, that most individuals can correct relatively easily through neurofeedback, which is once again a side effect and drug-free alternative to medication and way to remove this obstacle.